Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this SIM not found problem. And you can see it is not even when you just press back, it will open like this. In your Redmi A5 you can see it is not backing up. So friends, you have to first insert your SIM card into your SIM tray. So let's insert it. Friends, you can see I am inserting SIM tray. Here it is. So you have to insert it like this, and now you have to wait for a moment, and you can see it's done, and your Redmi 5 Airtel problem is fixed. You can see SIM not found problem. Here is in the smartphone, it is the Airtel exclusive. So first you have to enter the SIM card to open your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.